Bag, check. Shoes, check. Headphones, check. Toothpaste in under 100 milliliter. You think you're clear to fly, right? Wrong. In 2025, TSA is cracking down harder than ever, confiscating more items than most passengers know about. And we're not even talking about the obvious ones. Think protein powder, tech chargers, kids' toys, herbal supplements, even your reusable water bottle. The worst part? Most passengers have no idea. These rules have changed until it's too late. In this video, we're counting down the 10 unexpected things TSA is confiscating in 2025, including a stunner at number 7 that may be sitting in your medicine cabinet as we speak. Hang in there, because being aware of these can save you hours of airport hassle. 1. Protein powder and pancake mix. Looks harmless, right? Just a whey protein bag for your pancake mix, or smoothie for the Airbnb. But in 2025, TSA is treating any powder over 12 ounce, about the size of a soda can, as a potential chemical threat. That includes protein powder, flour, baby formula, powdered drink packets, even those green superfood powders. Why? Some powders can resemble explosives on scanners, especially if they aren't labeled. Travelers are already experiencing long delays for nothing more than electrolyte mix or powdered supplements. Quick fix. Keep powders below 12 ounce 350 milliliter per container. Place them in a separate bin. Label everything clearly. Proportion exactly what you require. 2. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. You've seen them. Sleek $400 suitcases with GPS trackers, USB chargers, and remote locks. But if your smart bag has a non-removable lithium-ion battery, TSA can seize it on the spot, even at check-in. The reason? Lithium batteries can overheat and cause fires in the cargo hold. Once loaded, crew can't access them, a serious safety hazard. Even premium brands like Away and Samsonite had to redesign some models to comply. Pro tip: make the battery removable without tools. Carry the battery in your carry-on. Verify on the manufacturer's website. Some airlines even ask for photo proof before boarding. 3. Reusable water bottles with hidden compartments. Reusable bottles seem to be both TSA-friendly and environmentally friendly. But in 2025, agents are screening out bottles with hidden compartments for pills, powders, or supplements. In a few instances, the passengers themselves have no idea their bottle has these hiding spots. But if it looks suspicious, TSA won't wait to find out. Some brands have removable pill holders or hollowed-out bottoms that look suspiciously on scanners. Even a double-walled design can raise an eyebrow. Solution: avoid bottles with removable bottoms, hidden compartments, or opaque liners. Use a clear single-compartment bottle. Empty it every time before security. Next, the power source that can cause not just your laptop, but your entire bag to be rejected at the checkpoint. 4. Laptop batteries over 100 watt. In case your external laptop battery has more than 100 watt-hours, you're only allowed to carry it with the permission of the airline. Over 160 watt-hours? Absolutely not. And don't count on TSA staff to get it sorted out for you if it's lost or hard to read. Your gear may be seized. Insider tip: watts equal volts times amp hours. If the number is more than 100, you need airline permission, and it will always have to travel in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. Power banks and extra batteries are okay in your hand luggage, period. 5. Toys that look like weapons. In 2025, TSA is being absolutely zero tolerance towards anything that in any way resembles a weapon. Plastic swords count, toy guns count, lightsabers count, foam nunchucks count, even superhero action figures that contain small removable weapons count. Regardless of whether it's obviously a toy or a gift for your grandchild, if it could cause alarm or confusion, forget it. TSA is hypersensitive, and even highly visible toy guns initiate automatic notifications. There have been cases where whole vacations have been delayed simply because a toy pistol was found in a backpack. Solution: ditch the toy arsenal at home, or risk seeing your $80 collectible pitched into the trash. 6. Camping equipment and tent pegs. Planning a Colorado hike or an Icelandic camping expedition. Think twice before packing some equipment. In 2025, TSA has marked many camping equipment items as possible weapons or dangerous materials. Tent stakes are possible weapons. Fuel canisters are totally prohibited. Even some stove components are marked for enhanced screening. A traveler had an ultralight stove worth $300 confiscated for a small sharp-edged adapter that TSA deemed unsafe. Fast tip: send your equipment in advance if it is valuable, or purchase inexpensive substitutes upon arrival. Do not bring fuel, inflammables, or pressurized gas cylinders aboard a plane. And please don't attempt to camp out with your carry-on luggage. It's begging for trouble. 7. Medications with certain names. This surprises many elderly visitors. Some prescription and over-the-counter medications are now tracked due to ingredients that appear on controlled substance watch lists. Among them are sleep aids like zolpidem, anti-anxiety drugs, and codeine-type painkillers, and even some over-the-counter allergy tablets. If TSA finds one of them loose or not marked inside a pillbox, they can confiscate it, and you might face extra screening or even temporary detainment. To avoid getting in trouble, store medicines inside their original labeled packaging. Carry a copy of your prescription and a doctor's note. Declare it before you're screened, not after you're flagged. Coming up, an everyday electronic that's getting more passengers stopped than ever before. 8. Batteries in your razor. Electric razors, toothbrushes, clippers all totally fine, until they're not. TSA has started pooling certain devices based on the type of internal battery they have. Older models or international models have non-standard lithium batteries that don't meet TSA requirements. The bigger issue, most devices don't display their battery specs clearly, so TSA screeners have to make an educated guess, and when in doubt, they play it safe. If your device does not have a clear battery label in watt-hours, TSA may choose to confiscate it. Bring a spare if it's something essential, especially grooming or medical devices. And always in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. 9. Foil-wrapped DIY snacks. Packing a sandwich of your own? No problem. Wrapping it in aluminum foil? Problem. TSA scanners don't get a good look through foil, and agents are trained to pull aside any dense, suspicious, opaque package. Burritos, subs, or even foil-wrapped chocolate bars have all triggered fallback searches. While the food itself is not forbidden, the extra screening can waste precious time, and for some travelers, it's meant missed flights. Solution: parchment paper, Tupperware, or clear plastic wrap. It's TSA-friendly and safer for your food. 10. Incense, herbal powders, and spiritual items. This one catches most foreign travelers off guard. In 2025, TSA is focusing on spiritual powders, incense, and herbal blends due to the threat of unidentified substances and flammable materials. It's not personal, it's policy. If something smells strong, has no label, or looks like it could be used recreationally, expect extra questions. Travelers have lost rare sacred items simply because they lacked proper documentation or the screener didn't recognize the object. If you're carrying burning sage, religious herbs, sand, or ritual powders, pack them carefully in your carry-on. Label everything clearly. Declare it before screening. Bonus: the unspoken ban on overstuffed bags. You've measured your carry-on. It's within the size regulations. You've even weighed it. So, why did they pull it aside? Here's the scoop. Overstuffed bags can now be rejected, even if official size standards are met. When packed, they won't fit into sizing bins at boarding. Airlines and TSA are imposing a ban on bulging zippers, outside attachments, pillows, blankets, hanging tech chargers, and wires. If your bag fails the gate fit test, you can be charged as much as $90 in late fees. Insider tip: zip shut expansion panels. Take out extras and do a test fit at home prior to your flight. So, which of those banned or restricted items surprised you the most? Have you ever had something confiscated by TSA that seemed completely normal? Share a tale in the comments. I read every single one of them, and we might feature yours in a future video. If this helped, thumbs up and subscribe. We decipher the travel rules before they ruin your vacation weekly. Until next time, travel smart, pack smarter, and prevent that carry-on from getting flagged.